Hey y'all, welcome back to another Viger's Ventures video. This is how we do laundry on the road. So we do have laundry bags for all of our stuff. I just have the kids' laundry bag behind their door. Sometimes it will overflow, so I'll just use one of these grocery bags and put the rest of the laundry in there. Once I'm done with the kids' rooms, then it's time to move on to our room and sort through our crazy pile of laundry. I'll just go through and sort everything into colors, whites, and darks. And it's great because Lila loves helping me with this, and she's pretty much got it down pat into sorting all the laundry into the piles of where they're supposed to be.
Colors in here. Colors back in here. Now let's put this dark.
So this is everything that I'll take to do the laundry. Obviously the bags of clothes, laundry detergent, and then I have this little container that has all my dryer balls in it. I have some essential oils in there, and then I have my little bag of quarters so we can obviously pay for the laundry. Lila, you're not going to be able to drive it.
You're going to watch this too. Here, you're driving.
I can drive. I know what to do.
Do you?
Sometimes the hardest part is just getting all the laundry to the facility. Most of the times I'll just throw it in the truck and drive it over. A lot of people will use a wagon if they have a wagon and pull it down. And luckily we have this Jeep which kind of acts as our wagon, and this is what we used this day to take all the laundry over.
Point of view, headed to do laundry.
Just park it outside. Oh, careful.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Oh, babe. Sorry.
It looks funny because it looks like, look around the corner and was like, I think I can make it.
Yeah. He's like, I know it shouldn't be in here.
So once we get to the laundry facility, I mean, y'all know how to do laundry, right? So I just put all the clothes in, put the laundry detergent in, put the quarters in, and then start the laundry. Luckily, this was later at night, so after dinner, and this is when it seems to be the most empty there. So luckily, I had enough washing machines to use, and then it usually takes about 30 minutes until all the laundry is done. So once all the laundry is done, they have these carts there, and I'll just throw all the laundry in because the dryers are at the other end, and then I'm just able to wheel all the clothes over and throw them in the dryer. Throw them in the dryer, and then I have these dryer balls that I use, and I also put essential oils on them just to help the clothes smell better. You can put whatever oil on it you want, whatever scent you want, whether it's lavender or citrus or earthy tones, and then I just throw those in, put the quarters in, and then start it. I do keep some clothes out that I like to hang dry. They have these little things in there that you can hang clothes on. I need to remember to bring hangers next time, but I just throw the clothes over and then I'll throw some on the little cart to help dry. If I'm doing laundry during the day, it is super nice because there are some clotheslines outside that you can hang your clothes on to dry. Once the clothes are done drying, I'll put them back into the cart, wheel them over to the table, and then just fold them on the table. Usually I'll do all the kids' clothes first, and then I put them back into the bag so they're just easy to carry. And then I'll fold Derek and my clothes, and then put them in the bag so they're easy to carry. And then everything's ready to just take back, put in the camper, and be ready to put away. So thank you all again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see y'all again next week. Happy travels and God bless y'all.